Hey kindergarten friends, welcome back to Math Today. We are sorting and classifying shapes and data. And so today what we're going to do is we're going to use the words big and little to sort with. So our first one we sorted by color. We said whether the shape was red, green, yellow, or blue. The last time we sorted by shape type. So whether is it a triangle, a circle, a rectangle, or a square. This time we're going to sort by size. So you can sort by the color, by the shape, or by the size. So today you're going to need to be on page 699 or 699. And it's going to look just like this. Big and small. And we're going to use tally marks again. So I'll do it with you and you can just follow along and join me as we go along. If you need to pause it now, that's great. We are in chapter 12.3. And it says we're going to classify and count by size. So here we go. This is our first rectangle. Is it big or small? It's a small one. Small. Good. We're going to put the small rectangle right there. So I put one mark in small. Here's your next one. Whoa. Big or small? Big. I agree. So I'm going to put, so we have one big rectangle and one small rectangle. Let's do another one. Big or small? Small. Big or small? Small. Big or small? Small. Big or small? Big. Big or small? Small. Ooh, if you just did that one, you would have crossed it over. And one last one, small. So because we sorted by by size, not color, we had more small rectangles than big rectangles, as you see right here by our numbers. Let's go ahead and turn the page, and let's look up here. Okay. So this one in my mind is a little trickier, but we'll do our best. So what I want to do right now is I want to just circle the small shapes with you. What would you say about this rectangle right here? I agree with you. It's small. The square? Small. The circle? The circle looks big to me. The square? Small. The square? It's bigger than the other one, so I'm going to say it's a big one. The rectangle? Small. And this rectangle, big. So let's count now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 small shapes. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 small. And we have 1, 2, 3 big. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 big shapes. So we have 4 small shapes and 3 big shapes. All right, so let's look over here. Well, which set do we have 4 of? Do we have more small shapes or big shapes? That's right, you guys. We had more small shapes. And we had one group of small shapes. What do we have more of? Do we have 3 small shapes or 3 big shapes? That's right, 3 big ones. We had one group of those. So we had one group of small shapes, and there were 4 in that group. And we had one group of big, and there were 3. So check that out. Pretty awesome. You guys are getting great at sorting. You guys were already good at this. If you would like to try this page with your family, that would be awesome. It just reviews what we did before. So it says in the first one, if you guys just want to do it with me, let's do it together really quick because it's a quick check. Look at the set at the beginning of the row. Circle the shape that belongs in that set. So would you say that the circle, the yellow circle, the green circle, or the blue circle goes in this set? Who says the blue circle? No? How about the green circle? The yellow. Why the yellow? Oh, because all the shapes are different sizes and different types, but they're all yellow. I agree. I would circle this one too. Okay, let's look at the next set. It says, look at the shape at the beginning of the row. You see it? It says, mark an X on the set in which the shape belongs. So which set do you think this shape belongs? Do you think it belongs in this set or in this set? I bet you a lot of you are doing this, aren't you? You put an X on the triangles because it's sorting by shape. Do you see here we sorted by color? Now we're sorting by shape. Now we're going to sort by size. And we're going to decide which group sorted correctly. So let's look here. This first one says big. Are all these big? No. Are all these small? No. All right, let's look at the next one. Are all of these big? Are all of these small? Ooh, what about this one? Are all of these big? Are all of these small? Nice job, and we're going to fill in that little circle at the bottom. Ta-da! You did amazing. If you want to still work on big and small, you can on this page. If not, you can meet me tomorrow. We're going to do some graphing, lesson 12.4, and that'll be our last math lesson together. Can you believe it? I hardly can. All right, see you tomorrow for our last math lesson, graphing. Until then, have a great day.